Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at PS4's Borderlands, the Handsome Collection. So, yeah. So what do we get in the Handsome Collection? It says includes Borderlands, the pre-sequel, so I guess Borderlands 1, and Borderlands 2. Completely remastered. So wow, they're the remastered edition ones. With all available bonus add-on content. So you get all the freaking DLC that they had in there. Every DLC right there. Over $100 in value. Made by 2K. Wait, so 17 plus. So yeah, like you can see, Borderlands the pre-sequel, Borderlands 2. There's a lot of 2Ks here. 2K Australia, 2K. So I don't know why there's like, see that one right there's 2K Australia, and then there's the weather 2K. Iron, and then Wise. Wait, W Wise. Aperture. Gameware. Some of the comments that makes this so it's 1 to 4 players. 30 gigabytes is the minimum hard disk drive that you're gonna need for your hard disk drive. 30 gigs. Online play, DualShock 4, HD TV output, remote play. So